Hi guys, PJ here with another DIY disaster as far as car electronics go. This is a short, so I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible and you'll see why. So basically it's come in for me to replace the radio, common enough thing on this type of car. Yep, you know, in the middle of putting a new radio in here, and it's having a new, I'll just get this for you, Pioneer. There you go, nice Pioneer touchscreen there. And the reason is the owner of the vehicle had tried to fit their own radio, but when it wouldn't shove all the way back in, they decided to use the rear rubber end of a hammer to just lightly tap the radio back in place. Yeah, that's definitely not something you want to do, guys. It really isn't. So main thing with this type of screen is when you're pushing it in, so at the moment this is just sitting proud, yeah, just to make sure everything works before I click it in. When you push them in, the plastic blocks behind the radio can get stuck on the back of the dashboard. You've got to push them in down the back, you know, chuck them out of the way before sort of grabbing them top and bottom and shoving them. And obviously if they're absolutely stuck, yeah, don't use the back of something to sort of dunk, because it's clearly going to do, well, this. So guys, there's another DIY disaster, sadly, for you to look at. And yeah, a bit of a shame in it. Nice radios these are, but that's all from me. Goodbye for now.